today's victim. Got to avoid hitting that garage there. Got to grind the stump out. I mean, everything should drop right here, except for that left side. Might be able to drop the whole tree once I get some of this off, though. And that's the plan. I'm gonna take this limb right here off and that one. I'm just worried that it's gonna fall, get pinned on this, and this stump will come back and hit the building. Okay, so this is the final video here for you. Guys are doing the hand raking now. We rake the mulch back into the stump hole. And you can see what's left of that. And then we're gonna lay a little bit of grass seed down here for you. Not gonna do anything till spring, but, and then right through there, through the gate, we're also gonna put some grass seed down. Yeah, everything went well.